Good day, folks. In the previous section, we discussed the challenges of building a working virus and how to overcome them. The build process gives us a binary blob containing our virus code, but the ultimate goal is to inject the virus and run whenever the infected binary runs. In the following videos, we will explore three different algorithms that can find a suitable place for our virus within an infected binary. Here is a high-level overview of the infection process. Given an arbitrary executable, we want to infect it with our built virus. The first step is to scan the host executable to determine its eligibility for infection. We need to ensure the file is genuinely an executable and filter out other file types by parsing the ELF header. Remember, all ELF files contain a magic array that identifies them. If our virus targets 64-bit Linux, we should probably skip 32-bit ones, as it's challenging to craft a virus that can infect both simultaneously. Although most people use 64-bit Linux now, 32-bit viruses are rare but still possible, especially targeting 32-bit embedded systems or Internet of Things devices. If an executable is eligible for infection, we make a copy of it, which will replace the original once all modifications are done. Next, we scan the file for its section and program headers, parsing them to find a suitable place for our virus. If the infection algorithm finds an appropriate spot, the section and program headers will be updated to accommodate the virus. For instance, if we piggyback our virus onto an existing section, we will need to increase the section size and possibly make other changes to shift things around. The final step is to copy the virus into the identified place, byte by byte. The changes are committed to the copy, and then the original executable is replaced by this modified version. In the following videos, we will introduce three different algorithms, each with its own trade-offs and use cases. Regardless of the method we use, the high-level workflow remains the same. Our virus framework includes working versions of these algorithms and the integration tests to infect popular Linux distributions. You can find them inside the Infector folder, and I will see you next time.